Wherever life plants you, bloom with grace. Good morning, children and viewers. How are you today? I hope you all are doing great. I hope you are very happy to see me in this class today. My name is Pavitra Bukle and I am your English teacher of class 8. So, today I have brought you a very different topic. Today let's we do different, and today's topic is speaking. In speaking there are many things, but today I have taken describing people, and it is from your text, children. You all know already we describe picture, we describe people, we describe room, we describe class, many more. And today we are going to learn how to describe the people, children. And usually while describing people, we use adjective words, children, like tall, short, thin, talkative, yes, short hair, long hair. This is how we used to describe the people with the words of adjectives. So, it is from your text. If you take out your text and see describing people, it will be easy for you all while I explain you, children, and more details we will see on slide. So, look at the slide please. Okay, speaking, describing people. When we describe people, children, we have some keys, some keywords, how you can use these words while describing person. Let's see. Before describing people, what words we should use, like you have to use age, hair, face, eyes, nose, lips, chin, and special features, children. Like in age, we can use in his her 20s. Her 20s means from 20 to 29, and early 20s means 20, 21, 22, children. So, this is the age. If you want to describe, or if you imagine that this person must be within this age, you can use these words. Now, let us come to color. So, if you want to know, it is better to describe the hair also, like hair color dark, black, blonde. Here blonde for you all it must be not familiar. Blonde means is little bit yellow, not exactly yellow, it shines like a yellow, and brown, etc. Now, let us come in hair only. We have the style of hair. How can you describe the hair style? Like straight, wavy. Wavy means, children, at the edge of the hair there can be a little bit curly, not whole curly, little bit. And now, let us come to curly. Curly means mostly the hair is curly, children. And fuzzy, it is not in proper condition, it looks like untidy, that is called a fuzzy. So, now let us we come to length. This is about the hair only we are talking, children, while describing the people. Okay, like we use color, we use style. Now, we are using length also to describe the people, like long, short, shoulder length, shoulder means till our shoulder, etc. Now, we have to describe face. How are the faces? There are different kind of faces, you know, like a round, square, oval, long, thin, etc. So, you can say square, she has a square face, round face, oval face. In this way, you can describe the people. Now, let us come eyes. Now, it is turn of eyes, children. How you describe the eyes? Like you can use the word large, small, narrow, wide, slanting, etc. Now nose, straight, okay, pointed, hooked. Hooked means it is long and little bit it looks like it is bent, children, okay, hooked, and crooked, etc. Now let's come lips, thin, full, etc. Okay. Now let's come to chin, pointed, cleft. Okay, children, here cleft means it's like a shape of Y, and there will be a little bit dimple in the chin, children. Okay. So that is called a cleft. And double, here you must be a little doubt. Double means like it is fatness, children. So the person who are fat, their chin looks like double, due to their fatness. So now let's come to special features. Even we use special features while describing person, like beard, mustache, sideburns, mole, dimple, wrinkle. Sideburns means, children, the side of the hair, children. Okay. Long, especially for the male, they use this sideburn. They have longness at the side of your face. Okay. So now next, so here you have the picture, children, and this picture is from your textbook, children. So now look, can you see the picture here? Yes, of course. So what kind of person is he? How can you describe? Okay. If it's not clear, just imagine, children. Okay. And if you have textbook, you can see there also. Okay. Now let's describe this. In this picture, there is a man sitting on a folding chair. So this man is sitting on a folding chair. The man has got straight dark hair. So how is his hair? And how is his hair style? His hair color is dark and his hair is straight, children, and a mustache. He has mustache also. Okay. Now next, he has wide dark eyes and a pointed nose. Can you see, the children, his nose? How pointed nose means what kind of nose? Okay. He is wearing a Panama hat. The hat which he is wearing is Panama hat. Okay, that is hat name. He is wearing a white shirt and knee-length back trouser. So he is wearing a shirt, yes, and knee-length back trouser means is a, let's say, half pant also. Okay, he is wearing sport shoes and socks. I know it is not clear and we are not able to see also, but just imagine, children. Okay, he is wearing sport shoes and socks. He is also got a pair of headphones in his ears. There is a table. Headphones are connected to the cell phone. Cell phone means also a mobile. So I hope you have understood how to describe the person. So we will go to next picture, children. This is from your text. Now next. Okay, children, this is also from your text. I have taken from your text. Okay. So can you see the picture? The one man is sitting on the bed. Let's not say sitting, and one of the lady, she must be doctor, must be not, she is a doctor and she is checking. So let's see how to describe, okay, how we have to say, okay, like the patient is on the bed. The patient is on the bed, children. The doctor is checking him. He is in his mid-40s. Mid-40s means, children, between the age of 40 to 50. Okay. So, I have just written this because I can see that he is a little bit wrinkle on his face, and he is a patient and he is not feeling well also, that is why he is here. And his overall personality, it shows that he is the age of mid 40s, that means 40 to 50. He has a long face and small eyes. Okay, just see his face. What kind of face can you see, children? So, it looks, his face is long and eyes are small. Okay, he has a short broad nose. So, his nose we are looking, children, can you see his nose is short and broad nose. He has short hair and sideburns. Can you see sideburns, children? As I told, mostly we use this word for the men. Okay. He is wearing a half shirt. So, this is how we have to describe the people, children. The patient is on the bed, the doctor is checking him, he is in his mid 40s, he has a long face and small eyes, he has a short broad nose, he has short hair and sideburns, he is wearing a half shirt. So, for you, I am giving homework. This is in this way only you will describe the doctor. Okay. So, now let us move to next. Okay. So, can you see here picture? Okay. Just if not clear, also if you are not able to see clearly the sentence I have written, and you try to imagine, children. Okay. So, the girl is very smiley, children. Yes, and she is writing also. So, let us see, the girl is writing. Yes, what she is doing? She is writing. So, that is why I have written the girl is writing. She has a broad face. Can you see? Her face is little bit big. She has a broad face. Her eyes are big and wide part. So, children, here it looks like for you a cartoon, but her eyes are big, children. Okay. Due to the I have taken the cartoon picture, so you may thinking where is the big, but she has a big eyes. Okay. If you want to describe that, if you want to tell that her eyes is big, this is how we have to say. Her eyes are big and wide part. She has plaits hair and a short pointed nose. Children, she has plaits hair means, can you see two side? She has tied her hair in two side, okay, not one. So, that is why I have written here, she has plaits hair and a short pointed nose. Short pointed nose means not a long one, okay, short one, small one. Okay. Now, she is wearing a half shirt. Children, and can you see, she is wearing a half shirt. She is happy. Look how smiling face. And if you want to add more also, you can add, like she is sitting and reading, writing. She has many books. You can add more if you want. So, I will go from beginning, children, once. What words we use in speaking while describing person, what words we use, I told you all, like in age, hair, face, eyes, nose, lips, chin and special feature. These things we use to describe the person. Okay. Now, next I have just now told you all how to describe the picture. Okay, this is how in this picture there is a man sitting on a folding chair. The man has got straight dark hair and a mustache. He has white dark eyes and a pointed nose. He is wearing a Panama hat. He is wearing white shirt and knee-length black trousers. He is wearing sport shoes and socks. He is also got a pair of headphones in his ears. There is a table in front of the man. On the table there is a cell phone. The headphones are connected to the cell phone. So, next this picture again I will tell you. Okay, the patient is on the bed. The doctor is checking him. He is in his mid-40s. He has a long face and small eyes. He has a short broad nose. He has short hair and sideburns. He is wearing a half shirt. So, now the next. The girl is writing. She has a broad face. Her eyes are big and wide apart. She has a plaits hair and short pointed nose. She is wearing a half t-shirt and she is happy. So, this is how we describe the people, children, and you all have got the idea how to describe the people, children. And children, can you describe yourself? Yes, you can. Now, can you describe me? I know you can. So, how you will describe me? She is teaching. She is tall and thin. Her hairstyle is blonde. I am tying my hair. She is middle age, okay, 20s, 21, okay. What you think? You can tell me mid also, okay. It's up to you how you describe, but when you see any person or any people, or suppose you want to describe your friends, your uncle, aunt, father, mother, you can use this all words whatever I have taught you all. So, this is how you will speak while speaking and while describing also, children. And mostly while describing we use adjective words, children. Okay, in adjectives their bodies, okay, their hairstyle, their height, and this all things comes while describing people. So, I hope you all have understood how to describe the people, children. There is no need to go in a vast way, children. It is according to your level, and there is no need to use only these words from the text only. You have to use the words, that is not necessary, okay. And if you think that I will use other words also, that is also okay, but it should be correct while describing. So, I hope you enjoyed today's class, and it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care.